Number 4, sleeping position. People that sleep on their back typically tend to snore more than people that sleep on their sides, left or right, it doesn't matter, and on their stomach, right? A lot of people sleep that way. I know that seems a little bit off, but yes, there are people that sleep on their stomach. Some people sleep with their head over their pillows, and that's okay. But we have found that sleeping on the back worsens snoring. And why is that? So when we lay on the back, the tongue falls over by gravity and covers the upper airway. And so that's one position to avoid if you are snoring. Next is alcohol. Now, alcohol causes snoring by causing relaxation in the muscles of the upper airway. And this is especially common if you're drinking alcohol close to bedtime. And guess when people love to drink alcohol? With dinner, right? That's when people like to drink. And so making sure that you're spacing out alcohol use between when you have it and when bedtime is one way that you can reduce or improve snoring. You want to have at least 3 to 4 hours of gap before going to bed to make sure that that doesn't affect your nighttime sleep. All right.